Adjectives versus adverbs. Clearing the confusion. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another video in our series about English grammar fundamentals. Today we're going to unravel a common source of confusion: adjectives versus adverbs. We'll focus on one of the common mistakes learners make: using an adjective where an adverb is needed, and vice versa. Buckle up and get ready to learn. Before we dive into the confusion, let's quickly revisit what adjectives and adverbs are. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, primarily nouns. They provide answers to questions like, what kind, how many, or which one. For example, in the sentence, she has a beautiful dress, beautiful is an adjective describing the dress. On the other hand, adverbs mainly modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They answer the questions: how, in what way, when, where, and to what extent. For example, in the sentence, he runs quickly, quickly is an adverb modifying the verb runs. Now that we've refreshed our memories, let's delve into the main topic: the confusion between adjectives and adverbs. This usually happens because some words can be used both as adjectives and adverbs, depending on the context. Take fast, for example. It can be an adjective in the sentence, he is a fast runner, describing the noun, runner, and an adverb in, he runs fast, describing how he runs. Other times, the confusion arises when we use adjectives instead of adverbs after verbs. For instance, a common mistake is to say, he drives safe, when it should be, he drives safely. Now, let's learn how to spot and correct these mistakes. The first step is to identify the word that the adjective or adverb is modifying. If it's a noun, you should use an adjective. If it's a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, you should use an adverb. Remember, adverbs often end in -ly, but not always. Words like well, fast, hard, late, and early are all adverbs too. So, pay close attention to the context. And that's it for today's video. We hope this discussion about adjectives and adverbs has cleared up some of the confusion. Remember, it's all about practice. The more you read, write, and speak English, the more natural it will become to choose the right modifier. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.